Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited three biotechnologies companies that are being testing different COVID-19 vaccines in India. The first manufacturer was Zydus Cadilla's manufacturing facility, which is near Ahmedabad. The company had commenced phase 2 clinical trials of its vaccine candidate Zycov D. PM next visited Bharat Biotech manufacturing facility in Genome Valley, Hyderabad, which is responsible for developing Covax-in vaccine. Third, PM finally visited Serum Institute of India in Pune, which had partnered Oxford University and pharma major AstraZeneca for producing COVID-19 vaccine in India. India to host Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit tomorrow. India will host the Head of Government Council meeting of 8 nation Shanghai Cooperation of Organization on 30 November 2020. The PM of China, Kyrgyzstan, Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan will attend the virtual meeting. It will be the first time that the summit level meeting will held under India's leadership. It was in 2017 that India became partner of SCO. This time the organization deal with economic trade and economic relation among the different members of the countries. During the election time amid snowfall, there were 52% turnout in Jammu and Kashmir polls in phase 1 of DDC election in 43 constituencies peacefully. Neighbors agree on intel sharing programs. India, Sri Lanka, and Maldives on Saturday agreed to expand the scope of intelligence sharing, including terrorism and cyber security, after a meet in which they discussed common security threats. India's NSA Ajit Doval was present along with Sri Lankan Foreign Minister and Maldives Defence Minister. The meeting was held to cooperate and to develop intelligence securities among the three nations. Iran's supreme leader vowed revenge over slain scientists. Iran supreme leader vowed revenge over scientists linked to Tehran disbanded military nuclear program Mohsen Fakhrizadeh, who was responsible for developing nuclear program of Iran and was heading the program from the Iran side, was killed. A new species of lizard, the smallest known Indian gecko-cunid, has been discovered in Indian Ghats. Study shows that the species belong to the genus Anemosphes. In India, 45 diverse species of Anemosphes have been found.